If you have 4 minutes and a bed, and you don't want to accept that tired, puffy, uneven look as your normal when you wake up, then you need this face yoga routine for your bedtime. Do you realize how your face looks in the morning can shape how you feel about yourself for the rest of the day? I'm �៊𝗵𝗫 𝗪𝗏, your face yoga and self-image coach. I have helped thousands reshape their face and confidence through my online programs and one-on-one coaching. And I can tell you that these 4 moves done at night in bed can start to reset your face by activating your facial muscle chains. If you wake up with puffiness, uneven cheeks, deepening jowls or necklines or eye bags that look heavier every day, those are the signs your face is aging faster than it should, and they are quietly stealing your confidence. But not anymore. I dare you to show me one cream, serum or procedure that can do what this routine can. In under 4 minutes a night for 6 days straight, it visibly lifts, smooths and refreshes your face naturally. These are the exact 4 moves my students swear by. So save this video and follow along every night this week, because waking up to a younger looking face starts tonight. If challenge accepted, then let's get ready to go to bed with me. Now here's the part that no one talks about. Your position during your face yoga matters more than you think. Now when you do it right before your bed, it becomes even more powerful. You're activating your face right before that 7 to 8 hours of stillness. No frowning, no chewing, no tension. This is when your face sets into its natural resting shape. So why not train it into a smoother, more lifted one? You're about to learn how. Let's get started with the first move. Want fillers for your nasolabial folds? Stop right there. Do this instead. This one simple exercise done lying flat in bed can start to push those deepening smile lines and give you results that fillers often promise, but naturally. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back, take a deep breath and puff both cheeks evenly with air. Hold the air in the upper parts of your cheeks against gravity. Now engage your cheek and neck muscles to keep this air lifted. Don't let it float passively in your mouth. You should feel a gentle stretch through your cheeks, nasolabial folds, and under your chin. Hold this contraction for 1 full minute, breathing through your nose. Don't hold your breath. Now slowly release and relax. This one move works on multiple aging concerns in one go. It tightens your cheeks, it lifts those sagging jowls, engages your neck muscles, and fills out those smile lines from within, acting like a natural filler. But what makes it even more effective is doing it when you're lying down. When you're upright, gravity pulls your skin down towards your jowl, your chest, and your neckline. But lying flat, this gravity shifts backward towards your ears and your scalp, encouraging a natural lift. This slight shift in direction helps you train your muscles and tone it upward, not downward. You will feel a more targeted stretch and muscular challenge in this position, especially in your neck and your lower cheek, your jowl zone. Mini science break. Why your skin collapses inward with age? As we age, your collagen and your fat pads shrink and begin to migrate downward. Gravity and poor sleep habits speed this up. This causes your facial tissues to collapse inward and downward, especially around your mouth, your nose, your eye area, that hollowness, puffiness, and sag. And then when you sleep facing down, these fluids collect in your face, adding more puffiness and swelling around your eyes, your cheek, and your jawline. So your first step, train yourself to sleep on your back and use this cheek puffing exercise to start re-lifting from within. Think your jowl and neck will keep collapsing with age? This one stretch at bedtime will prove otherwise. To do this, lay flat on your back, gently arch your chest and neck upward by lifting through your upper back and resting the crown of your head lightly on the pillow. Open up your chest, neck, and jawline. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds. This is just your warm-up. And now from here, without dropping back, extend your chin forward as if you're trying to touch the ceiling with your chin. Hold this chin and jowl extension for about 4 to 5 seconds. Then relax slightly for a couple of seconds and then repeat about 5 to 6 times within this 30-second window. This powerful two-part stretch helps counteract one of the most overlooked aging patterns, neck shortening and lower face collapse. As the platysma muscle weakens with age, the neck begins to fold in. Your jowls lose support and the corners of your lips start to droop. This two-part sequence begins to reverse that by elongating the platysma. That is the thin sheet-like neck muscle. It helps lifting sagging jowls, reducing that compressed double chin effect, and even tightening the look of droopy lips. And remember, because you're lying flat, gravity assists you again. It supports the lift of your chin and chest while encouraging your neck to stretch up and back, not collapsing forward. Once you're done, do you feel that space? That stretch is your anti-sag signal. Do this consistently and watch your jawline redefine itself. Think your skincare isn't working? The real reason might be this. You're not stretching and elongating the muscles that shape your jawline, your neck, and your posture. This one movement starts correcting that right from your bed. In the last exercise, we worked on the center part of your face and neck. Now, elongate the sides, open up your jawline, and stimulate the lymph flow. How to do it? Lie flat on your back, stretch your shoulders out wide, and make sure your neck isn't tucked into your chest. Open it up so your airway and your jawline is free. Now slowly turn your head to one side. Now feel that stretch in your neck, in your jawline, in your collarbone. You'll feel it all the way up to your shoulder. Hold it right there for 30 seconds and then switch to the other side. This simple movement elongates the sides of your neck. It redefines your jawline. It opens blocked fluid channels and helps fluid drain out and move, reducing any puffiness that you may have otherwise experienced next morning. Now let's talk about this pillow for a moment. Watch how it supports performing all these moves. First of all, it cradles your head and your face in such a smart way that it actually helps keep your facial symmetry intact, even while you toss around in your sleep. I mean, that alone is a win. This matters. Why? Because if you sleep on your side or on your stomach, you are unknowingly squishing your face into folds for 7 to 8 hours straight. That repeated contact leads to sleep wrinkles, not expression lines. These can start showing up as vertical, diagonal, or uneven creases that no Botox or filler can fix once they set in. I have to tell you this, I had a face yoga student in her 30s whose right side looked nearly 20 years older than her left, simply because all these years she slept on that side. These weren't smile lines or stress wrinkles, these were sleep-induced. So when she started to use this pillow alongside our face yoga work, her results became visibly much faster. And even if she accidentally rolled onto her stomach, the 3D orthopedic design protected her face from sinking into the surface. And frankly, it's not just about your face, it supports your neck, your spine, and your back too. So you wake up looking better and feeling energetic. What I also love, the memory foam they use, it is temperature sensitive. It stays cool through the night and lets your skin breathe, which, trust me, is a blessing if you're someone who gets hot or sweaty when you sleep. And if you're into skincare while you sleep, they have this hyaluronic acid pillowcase that actually helps your skin stay hydrated. Yes, your pillowcase working with your skincare. They also have some gorgeous silk options and even an antibacterial copper case. Yep, copper, real copper. It's all next level. Oh, and here's the best part. Sleep and Glow is celebrating their birthday and they are giving you, my blushers, an exclusive 15% off across their entire website. Just use this code, blush with me, and you'll get 15% off and you get a full 20-night trial. Don't like it? Send it back. But from my personal experience, give it a night or two and you will get hooked. The sale only happens once a year. I mean, birthday happens only once a year, but it ends on this date. So don't wait. Click the link in the description below and give your face a real upgrade, even when you sleep. Big thank you to Sleep and Glow for sponsoring this video. Alright, so now it's time for us to get back to bed for the next face yoga move. Today we've focused only on face exercises, and yes, they are powerful on their own, but true lasting transformations, it happens when you combine the right face exercises with guided facial massage technique and follow them with precise progressive sequence. That's why I created my 21-day face yoga mastery program. not just to teach you random techniques, but walk you through a full intentional journey that builds strength. It rewires your facial habits and brings balance back to your features. That isn't a do it once and forget it kind of course. It is designed to build you up from a beginner to someone who can fully engage, lift, and sculpt with total control. You'll start to notice your features become more defined. Puffiness replaced with tone, wrinkles softening, and your face starting to reflect how vibrant you actually feel on the inside. But the best part, this bonus, I'm giving you 6 months of access so you don't just learn in these 21 days. You can actually repeat, refine, and reawaken your face again and again, each round making you stronger, sharper, and more lifted and more confident. Now imagine this, you're standing in front of the mirror 90 days from now. Your skin is glowing without makeup. Your jawline has started to return. Your smile feels effortless. Less droopy, more lifted. You look at yourself and think, I did this? Naturally, no needles, no filters. That version of you, she's not far off. She just needs one decision from you today. Click the link below and sign up for my 21-day Face Yoga Mastery program and start building your future face today. Your transformation starts the moment you say yes to it. Still waking up with that stubborn line between your eyebrows? This one move can start retraining your face even while you sleep. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back. Place both your palms firmly on your forehead, lightly spreading apart the area between your eyebrows, your 11 wrinkle zone. Now try to frown. Bring your eyebrows towards each other while your hands resist that movement. So what's happening under my palms here is this. I'm trying to frown and bring my eyebrows closer. But because my palms are causing that resistance, that restriction, only my muscles are engaging and not my skin that typically would. Hold the tension for a few seconds when you contract the muscle area here and then release. Repeat for 30 to 45 seconds or until you feel that the area is lightly fatigued, like you've just done sit-ups between your brows. This is more than an exercise. It's a facial reprogramming. Most people don't realize that their 11 wrinkles aren't just from stress or age. They are from repetition, frowning and squinting, even concentrating. Your face memorizes those tiny micro expressions. And over time, what started as a movement becomes a permanent crease. Doing this lying down helps in two big ways. It naturally stretches your forehead out while your head is fully supported. So there is no neck strain doing this exercise, only controlled pressure. It brings awareness to this area that is tight from your day's built-up tension. If you fall asleep with that tension, your muscles continue holding that all night, reinforcing the very lines you're trying to undo. But when you engage, you stretch, you release, and even better, face tape the area after doing this exercise before going to bed. Now you create a new kind of muscle memory, one that relaxes your expressions and teaches your skin to reset. So here's the question. Do you want to wake up with deeper frown lines or start rewiring your muscle memory before you drift off? If this area is your concern or any area that holds tension in your face and has deep lines and wrinkles, then you must try face taping. And if you've already tried face taping, then I'm sure you've already seen results. So don't stop there. Check out my full face taping workshop. The recording is available now and it is packed with techniques that complement the work you've done in today's routine. Tap the link below to get access and tape your way to smoother mornings. That's a wrap. Your bedtime face just got a serious upgrade. If you have made it this far, I already know one thing about you. You are not here to age quietly. You are here to glow louder, lift smarter, and look in the mirror each morning a little more proud. If your face feels even 5% more lifted, give this video a like and subscribe for more. If you're a supporting member of this channel, then you'll get special access to exclusive content like this special knuckle massage you're seeing on the screen right now. So yes, you do get exclusive content for supporting this channel and truly stay committed to learning more. So if you want more tips and behind the scenes content, then hit the join button and support this channel and follow me on Instagram and other social media handles for quick content pieces. I'll see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.